good lap right here. Looking for bottom 27s.
What was it?
Well, I mean, you're already in first, but let's just go ahead and knock another couple tenths. So that was a 27.5.
Woohoo!
All right, final lap for George on Saturday. Handily sitting in first in Sabotage. He is not only winning the truck class, he is also the fastest non-IRS vehicle here. That new torque arm putting in work. How'd that one feel?
Slow.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
That was 27.6. About a half second faster than the last lap, but it was composed and looked good.
Yeah, no, I just took it easy.
Took it easy. Smooth as fast? Slow as fast? I don't know.
Yeah, all that.
Looking for 26s right now. This is a good lap right here. 27.090. I'm so disappointed in you. No 26s, come on.
Oh, right there.
That whole lap looked on point. Tight, smooth.
Everything I had.
Man.
The restraint was impossible.
And then I was worried about the finish. I was like, okay, he's getting around the corner fast. He's gonna miss the stop zone.
Oh yeah, no, I'm like, oh.
Hell yeah.
So we're here at Pleasanton, first time here, second time I've ever driven this truck. We're leaving the truck class right now. We're getting ready to head into the shootout. Got my fingers crossed and do my best laps and see what we can do here.
All right, George going out for the shootout. He's got a first round bye. So he's going to race between Dean in the S10 or Brandon in the S10. Round body versus square body versus square body. Alright, George was solidly in the bottom 27s. We just got to do that. Just got to keep it clean. George is hungry for that first shootout win. 27.4 on cold tires. For the win. Sabotage's first race back after the accident with Goodguys. George completely rebuilt it. He still wants that 26 though, but he's not going to throw it away. Yeah, get around here and he's got the win. Get it held up. Yeah, 28.1. Not the fastest, but nice and clean. Got it done. Truck class winner. Dude, how stoked are you?
Oh, I'm so stoked. Super clean, super easy.
Yeah, dude.
Try to keep it tight.
He laid down the best lap of the day in under pressure right now and ran a 28.1, but just got that cone.
Oh.
So.
Well.
Dude, you got a shootout win now.
Woo!
In Sabotage of all things.
In a truck. In a truck. Unbelievable.
Nice job, man.
Thank you, sir.